Hey everybody, it's Travis Holzem with Food Forest Design, Minnesota. And I just want to make a quick video to all of you lake homeowners or campground. If you own a trailer at a campground or a resort, or you have a cabin on a lake or a second home on a lake, well, this is for you. Okay? Imagine going to your summer home every weekend and not having to stop at the grocery store to buy a bunch of food to bring with you for the weekend. What if you could pick all your own fruit and vegetables once you get to where you're going, as you need it? You know, hey, well, I usually bring tomatoes or peppers or onions and all that stuff, or potatoes or sweet potatoes for dinner. Well, oh no, I'm going the right way, I think. Okay, I'm on the right path. Anyway, sorry, I'm driving and trying to do this and follow my GPS because I haven't been to this place before. But think about it. Everything is already there, so you just have to bring your condiments and stuff like that, and bring water. But your food is already there. If you live on a lake, you're probably going to go fishing and you're going to eat fish, right? So now you have all of your fish. You go catch your fish, but now you have all of your, okay, here we go. But you have all your fruits and vegetables and everything growing on the property. It's already there. You know, you go up to your lake home, you got apple trees, you got pear trees, you got cherry trees and peach trees, nectarines. There's so many different things you can grow. You can have a strawberry patch. And it's hands off. Nature takes care of that. Okay? You don't have to be up at your lake home to take care of that all the time, because it's as hands off as much as it can be. I mean, obviously you don't want it to get out of control, so you might want to prune stuff up, but it's less maintenance than a lawn, and it provides food for you. So just some ideas. Ooh, there's a Cybertruck. I've never seen a black one. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see that right behind me. See that Cybertruck? But anyway, just an idea. And over the winter, while you're thinking about making all the changes to your winter or your summer home, let's design your property and transform your landscape into a regenerative, self-sustainable, food-producing, edible landscape. What do you think? Hit me in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Or else, hey, you can get a hold of me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com. Visit foodforestdesignminnesota.com, and let's design your property this winter so everything is ready to go in the ground once the ground is no longer frozen and it's springtime. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. I'm going to turn you around so you see that. Oh, it's already gone. Anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. See ya.